By myself. You don't gotta beat me up.
Nobody's beating you.
On July 26, 2025, police stopped a woman driving a Tesla and asked for her license, registration, and insurance. She admitted to drinking beer, explaining that she had just left the parking lot after using the restroom and did not realize the patrol car was right behind her. Police said they stopped her because she cut in front of their car. When she got out, one of them immediately noticed a bottle of Casamigos on the seat.
Where's you?
How much do you have to drink tonight?
One beer.
One beer? And
Yeah.
You have,
I went over there to pee, and then I got in the car, drove, and I didn't hear the car sirens, and I'm like, what the fuck? And then you guys are already pulling me over, so it is what it is.
okay. You know why I'm stopping you though, right? Because
I went in front of you guys.
yeah. Okay.
I didn't see you guys, if I'm being honest.
All right. Just step out of the vehicle for me, please. Friend, USSD? Dom. Dom.
You need you though.
Just a beer?
Yeah.
You got a Casamigos bottle sitting right there too.
Where? Yeah, no, that sounds good. Been empty for some time.
Okay. Come on the sidewalk for me, right? You know, you say you had one beer. I'm just gonna have him. He's gonna perform some tests on you. Just make sure you're capable to drive, right?
Okay. I have on heels, yes, and I can do it with heels. Yes.
You can do it with heels?
Yes,
You're comfortable with that?
can.
You don't want to take them off? You can if you want.
I don't want to.
Okay.
Yes, I know.
Here, come over here.
Where's you?
Tell them to cut those lights.
5, I'm out.
Do me a favor. I'll walk with you. Let's walk over there where it's bright.
Okay.
All right.
Like where the light is?
Yep.
Okay.
And would you tell you off so you had one beer?
Yeah, I told him I had one beer. I honestly was driving off from my parking
Good,
spot.
stop right here.
I wasn't parked in the spot that was a parking.
Okay.
And when I drove off, the cops had to be behind me and stopped me. So it is what it is.
I got you. Wiley! It's not a show. All right, just come on this side and face me. Yep.
Okay.
All right, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check your eyes.
Okay.
You wear glasses, contacts,
No.
anything like that?
No.
You have any medical history that has to do with neurologically, no narcotics, nothing? Okay. All right, so what I'm going to want you to do is, see the tip of this pen?
Okay.
I'm going to want you to follow the tip of this pen with your eyes only. Do not move your head.
It makes me laugh when these people are watching me, but go ahead. I
No,
know.
you
I
got
got
it,
it.
you
No,
understand?
I got it.
34.
You good?
Yeah. All right. Unreadable, could you repeat? Our ALS is pending at this time.
Move your head.
Sorry.
You're good, you're good. Start over. Just look at the blue part of the pen.
And 119.
All right, so you see this line here?
Yep.
We're gonna use it as a guide.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna put you in the starting position. I want you to stay in that position until I finish the test. I'm gonna demonstrate what I want you to do.
Okay.
I'm gonna explain it as well. Okay. So the first thing I want you to do is put your left foot on that line. Okay. You're gonna put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. Touching heel to toe.
Okay.
You're gonna put your right foot in front of it. All right.
Well.
You're gonna stay in there at your side.
Wait, should I take off my heels just in case?
That's up to you.
If I keep my heels on and you
Like
guys
I said,
are like, oh no,
it's gonna be easier, I would think, right?
it's not
We gotta
giving.
tell you whatever's comfortable for you is what we can tell you.
Literally, no. I can walk in my heels, but I just don't want to be like, girl, hell no. Okay.
right.
Is
So-
that
Heel
better?
in front,
Again, left foot on the line,
Yep.
right? Right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe.
and then in front, like just keep going like that. Okay.
Listen to what I'm telling you and watch what I'm doing. Okay? The first thing you're going to do is put your left foot on the line. Okay? You're going to put your right foot in front of it, touching heel to toe. Okay? Hands down at your side and stay in that position and watch me demonstrate the rest of the test. Okay? You're going to have your hands down at your side. You're going to take 9 steps, touching heel to toe. And it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to count each step out loud. And then you're going to take a small series of steps when you get to 9 to turn around.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then when I get to 9, turn.
You're going to take 9 steps. And then you're going to turn. Okay? And then you're going to take 9 steps back. You got to stay in that position. Okay? I'm going to explain. I'm going to do it one more time.
Let me know when to go.
You're going to stay in that position. Left foot on the line. Right foot in front of it. Touching heel to toe.
Yep.
You're not doing it. There you go.
Sorry, I didn't know how to copy it.
Stay like that. Hands down at your side. You're going to count out loud each step that you take.
1. That's 2.
That's not any.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So I'm in the starting position, right? And then I'm going to count, and it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Don't start. Don't start. You're not listening. 3. And then you're going to go up to 9. When you get to 9, you're going to take a small series of steps to turn around. And then you're going to take 9 back. 1, 2, 3. Again, all the way up to 9. Again, the whole time, hands down at your side. You're going to count each step out loud.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
I got it.
All right.
Let me know when to go.
Put your right foot in front of your left foot. And now you can start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn around.
Sure.
Hey, work it. Just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. Come over here. Stop right there. Okay. Feet together. Last test. Feet together. Hands down at your side. You're going to lift any foot that you, again, any medical issues, for walks, all that good stuff. Stand on one leg. Stand on one leg? No, not like that. Pay attention.
Like this?
Keep your hands down. Keep your hands down at your side. Your feet together. Any which leg that you like. You're going to lift 6 inches off the ground.
Oh, okay.
Pay attention. This is not a joke.
Sorry.
Okay? Hands down at your side. You're going to lift one leg up. You're going to point out your toe. You're going to look down at your toe. With your hands down at your side, you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I ask you to stop. Understand?
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start when you're ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022, 1023, 1024, 1025, 1026, 1027, 1028, 1029, 130, 1031, 1032, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1036, 1037, 1038, 1039.
All right, you're good.
I was going to say. Damn. Can I put my shoes back on?
Yeah.
Or is more?
No, you're good. Hold on, leave those shoes there.
Yes?
No, leave those shoes. Leave them.
Oh, take them off? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he's in the police turn around.
Sorry. Why? Wait, but why? Wait, but I can't understand what you're saying.
You're being under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Wait, but where did you get that from?
From the test I got
Your speeches.
Wait, so what was my point in taking the test if I passed the whole
You
test?
didn't pass the test.
I did,
That's
though.
why you, okay, that's my determination. I'm the one who's
That's crazy.
certified.
119. Just have a
Okay,
female
can I talk
officer
to my
meet us
friend
at
to make
headquarters,
sure
please.
that-
We got one female
Excuse
1025.
me, can I talk to my
No,
friend to
you're
make
gonna
sure
go right
that she
to the
can...
car.
That's my car, and I have to make sure that she can drive it home.
Okay, we'll
I
make sure.
just got the car, so can you please just let me talk to her, make sure she can drive
if she's
it?
able to drive it home. We'll make sure she's
She's
able to
not
drive it
drinking.
home.
Okay,
Right.
you don't gotta grab me
I'm
so
not
hard.
I'm not grabbing her. We're
You
gonna make
are,
sure
and
she's
she has
able.
all my stuff. Can I grab my stuff? Because I know that when I get out, I'm allowed to use my phone and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
you can. We're
She
gonna grab
has
it for you. We're
Okay.
gonna search your car
Babe,
because
put
we're
the
able
window
to search
down.
your car. So we're gonna walk over to the car. We can search your car. All right. So come
Call
on.
my phone.
Come on.
Call my, call it, and they're arresting me
Come on.
for my breath.
All right.
So just, babe,
Ma'am,
you
come
remember
on.
my phone number? Remember my phone number by heart. Okay? I love you.
Come on. We're gonna search
And
your
I'll
car.
talk to
We're
you
gonna give
later.
you a phone and stuff. Come on.
Babe, you guys can't search my car because I
Yes,
didn't
we
give you
can.
permission. I didn't give you permission.
We don't need your permission.
Anyway, Dane, put the Casa bottle away.
No, it's ours.
All right,
There's
have
no
it.
put the Casa
Have
bottle
it.
away.
Take a shot out of it. Like, it's not that serious.
Let's go. Get in the car.
All right, I can get in.
All right.
You guys don't gotta beat me up for it. I
I'm not
promise
beating you
you.
up for it.
I know, but I see how you guys are. I can get in by myself. You don't gotta beat me up.
Nobody's beating you up.
But I know you guys might.
Nobody's not gonna.
I can
beat
do
you
it
up.
myself.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right. Sorry. All right. Can we take a picture of that open? I mean, that's not open, but the other Casas. The Casamigos right there in the middle. She moved it probably. What she do with the he said, what she do with the Casamigos photo? Okay, is there? Okay. All right, we're gonna take her out, boss.
Search the car for additional intoxicants.
Yeah, you want us to search or you want them to search? We can search.
We can stop, no?
Yeah.
102.
Intoxicant. You don't have, right? Stop.
Where
Where you going with the car?
She's gonna say she wants her to drive it. She said, but that's if she's
Right,
capable
but
of
it's a
driving.
DUI, though, right?
Yes.
So what do you do with a vehicle when it's a DUI?
What do you mean with
You
that?
have to release somebody, right? John's law, right? Someone
Yes.
that's- Right, you can just do it. Just fill out the paperwork,
Yes,
right?
correct.
You don't have a right.
Uniform.
What's up?
Kilo, hotel.
Okay. Is this her stuff?
Can I make sure that's not mine, though?
This is hers? All right, then we'll take. This is our phone and stuff, so I'll put that in the car.
I keep him back in the black. 2015 Mercedes Benz.
He has, what else? Just the phone in the wallet, right?
Jesus.
I know. Look, I'm not driving busy. I'm not going. No, I'm just looking. I'm just looking.
There's one on that.
No, I don't.
Nine. Look what I found with Angels. There was a dispute upon our arrival. All parties left the area.
Sorry, just don't walk into something. That's why I was asking. Maybe I was wrong. Yeah. With the HDN, that was it. You guys gonna take that photograph up at headquarters and toss it?
Yep.
As in license registration?
Yeah, that's
I have the insurance. I don't have the registration, but she gave me the insurance and the license.
Registration, you can't check the glove box for registration.
Yes, correct. Do you know how to work a Tesla? Because you got to pop it with the screen. I don't want to really mess with her screen. Do you know how to pop the glove box with the screen?
I don't know how to use a Tesla.
Is it registered to her?
Yeah.
I don't know how to use a Tesla.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We have the keys to the car?
It's Tesla, so it's like a Cartier. So
That's what
No
need it.
more
see.
on this.
Should be a black card.
2189. Not sure if it's New Jersey or what.
Yeah.
that's your cash out card. This is another card.
Wait, let me see.
Should come back to a Lexus though.
No, that's not it. Just check. Keep checking.
You sure it's not her phone? Because sometimes it's the phone.
No, it could be the phone, but
It's probably her phone. The key. It's probably her phone.
Did you ask her?
How do you start up your car? Is it with your phone? How you set up your car? Is it with your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's with her phone, so they're gonna have to just
Drag it.
They can tow it the way it is.
yeah, they're gonna just tow it the way it is.
Alright.
What is this?
There's no like.
Oh, old fashioned. No, it's her phone, so you wanna sit down with that? We'll take this up. All right. Thank you guys.
It was just a note that was left. Someone witnessed the hit and wrote it down on a piece of paper. So it's going to be a hit and run. Crazy. Did the vehicle come back all valid? The struck vehicle? Yes, that's correct.
119.
19.
Transporting one female 1025 up to headquarters. Starting mileage 12761.5. 12761.5.
Crazy.
You can smell it more.
109.
Yeah, because it's not letting me drive. I'm barefoot.
Come on. We got you.
Yeah, I can definitely do it, but I would like to have shoes on my feet.
All right. Well, headquarters is right here, right?
Okay, though, I can walk. If you let me out the car, then you're gonna pull me to walk. Like I can walk.
I'm not gonna pull you to walk. No,
Can
I
I
have
pull
to.
my shorts down? Can I pull my
Yes,
shorts
pull your
down?
shorts down.
Thank you.
But you're
No, I
arrested,
understand. I
so
understand. I'm just trying to put my shorts on. That's all.
Alright.
I don't want to
I
walk in there
respect
and
that.
looking all crazy.
I respect that. I didn't say you couldn't. I respect that.
Thank you.
I'm giving you respect. I'm treating you like the lady you are.
Thank you so much.
Just face this one for me right here. The female officer's gonna come in thoroughly search you again, right?
Honestly,
Come inside with me. Janaya?
Yeah.
Come inside with me. What's up? Oh, yes. You gotta go over here.
oh wait, I'm sorry.
I haven't had a. Yeah. Just come inside. Let me go inside here.
Mine got Ben doing your sports, so.
There's that bed on this.
Is that the wall? Yeah. Just gonna take off the handcuffs and then search you. Okay. Yeah. I have like 3.
These are like shorts? Yeah, right?
Yeah, they're like shorts and this is the top.
Oh, okay.
So like you need to check in there.
Alright, okay. You sit down.
Do you have somebody to come pick you up?
Yes.
Okay. Because you'll be quick. Like I said, once you get off that, we'll do your paperwork. You'll be
I wanna
quick.
cry, but I'm not gonna cry.
Which one do you feel more comfortable?
This one.
All right, stay to the bench after that.
She was taken to the police car, barefoot after removing her high heels for testing. When she arrived at headquarters, a female officer gently removed the handcuffs, conducted a pat-down and a routine strip search. She was tired and stressed. She admitted she wanted to cry, but tried to stay calm. Finally, she said someone was on the way to pick her up. Like, subscribe to the channel Rescue Patrol USA.